Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. At the moment, no change to the wave count. I'm still looking here at an ABC pattern, which would most likely come down in the third wave. The count, a possible bullish count, is just way too unreliable. Of course, there is one. There's always one. I can always give you bullish and bearish counts, but the point is I always try to make you aware of the most likely scenarios. And for me, this is a B wave at the moment. This obviously pushes to the upside in an ABC pattern. At the moment, we can generally see a little bit of upside in the crypto world, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are moving up quite a bit. They seem to be triggering the rally, and other coins are starting to follow now slowly. And here with an ABC pattern, that's still my view. You know, we could end this B wave at the 50% fib retracement. That is normally what you would expect. Can it move a bit higher? Yes, it can. A B wave is one of the most unpredictable waves. I often say it's best to stay away from a B wave. They're very hard to trade because they are unpredictable. They can basically move between the 23.6% fib level, and depending on what kind of B wave it is, it could even move to the 88.7% fib level. Not in this diagonal though, but yeah, I think I would still allow it the 61.8 fib level. Nevertheless, I just leave it as it is, the target area. My focus continues to be on the downside. A bullish count can be considered, but let's do the bearish count first. Let's talk about the bearish count first. In this count, yes, surely a little bit further upside is possible, especially if I look at targets, because if I count this as an ABC in wave B, then target for the peak would be, we're nearly there. First target would be the 1-to-1 ratio here at 93.5 cents. A really stretched target would be the $1 level. Yeah, the 1.618 extension. That would be the stretch target, but we've perfectly reached now the 1-to-1 ratio. And this is an ideal target or an ideal level to turn around. It's now overbought on, 1 second, most likely here on the 4-hour chart. Yes, it is. So it all would fit for a turnaround from here. Just be aware of that. Surely can push a bit higher. There is no reversal signal yet, so just be careful. But at the moment, and we can't, it is what it is. This looks like just like a three-wave structure. So at the moment, my view has to be we come down, especially as it's embedded in a structure that suggests that we will come down in a C wave further, right? A C wave of wave 2. It is the wave 2 that belongs to this larger pattern that started in June. A wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 down, should end in the region between 47 and 69 cents, most likely in the lower half of this area, and then we can move up in a third wave. Looking here at the short term, how would a bullish count look like? Bullish count would just look like where we would say this was probably some kind of a 1-2 setup here, and here as well we've got our 1-2. This would be a 3. This would have to push higher into the $1 level range. Yeah. Then we've got a 1, 2, 3. Then there should be a 4 and a 5. And it's really only if we get those 5 waves I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll make that a different color. But it's really only then that I would consider something more bullish. Now, I'm not saying I'm not bullish. MATIC is one of the best charts out there still, but short-term downside here, in my opinion, still. So the trend hasn't changed. It's still pushing down. That might change along the way, especially if we get 5 waves up. And then I will, of course, make you aware. If we get those 5 waves to the upside, then an ABC down, that would be another long entry position. Until then, the count is fairly unclear. And my view is that this is most likely just a B wave, which would be followed by a C wave down. And I gave you the target. Key support to the downside, 76 cents and 69. And then obviously we're heading down lower into the yellow support box to possibly end this wave 2 before we can rally in a larger wave 3. Yeah, that's just my quick update about Polygon MATIC here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.